Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anchal and in this video I'm going to be talking about the recent OINP draw that just happened yesterday. We'll try to dig a little deeper and try to find out what it's telling us about the CRF cutoffs of the upcoming Express Entry draws after the lockdown. Also, if you want to find out how OINP really works, I've covered it in a separate video and you can find the link to it in the description box below. So let's get started. Like we know, even in this lockdown period, provinces are still conducting their draws and inviting people to apply for Canada PR through their province nominations. On June 3rd, OINP issued targeted NOIs, that is notification of interest, to candidates who may qualify for Ontario's Express Entry Human Capital Priority Stream. For this draw, the targeted NOCs were financial managers, financial auditors, dietitians, nutritionists, amongst certain others. You can find the details about these NOCs in the description below. For candidates with more than 1 year of Canadian work experience, NOIs were issued to people who had the CRS between 358 to 439. And for candidates with more than 1 year of foreign work experience, NOIs were issued to people who had CRS between 471 to 500. So we can see that the cutoffs for foreign workers have definitely gone up. So what does it really say about the next Express Entry CRS cutoffs when the normal draws begin after the lockdown? In my previous video as well, I mentioned that PNP cutoffs are usually in sync with the Express Entry cutoffs. That is, they try to invite people whose CRS is lower than the ongoing Express Entry cutoffs because their occupation is in demand or for any other reason that they meet any kind of other criteria and their low CRS score doesn't really matter for that province. So this might mean that when the normal Express Entry draws begin, the CRS scores might go extremely high. Also, if we look at the pool status as of 25th May 2020, we can see that there are more than 19,000 people waiting in the range of 451 to 500 CRS score. And if we look at the range from 400 to 450, we can see that there are more than 43,000 people waiting in this list. So looking at these numbers in the pool, it seems that the CRS cutoffs are going to be on the higher range for quite some time now. So based on my observations, when the Express Entry draws begin, the cutoffs could be in the range of 475 to 478 roughly, and they might stay in the range of 470s for the next couple of months. Also, before the lockdown, when the Express Entry draws were happening every 2 weeks, the cutoffs haven't come below 471 this year. And now there has been a gap of over 3 months already, and the normal draws haven't happened. So in these conditions, various province nominations seem to be the best option for people stuck with low CRS scores. Alright, so before I end, I would just like to mention that these are just my speculations based on the observations that I've had in the last couple of months, and I may be really wrong about them. And in fact, I hope that I'm wrong about these predictions so that all the people waiting in IRCC's pool of applicants can soon receive their invitations to apply. Alright, so this is it for this video. I hope you all found it useful. If you wish to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.